Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be unboxing this iPhone 17 Pro Max, so let's get started. Alright, so around the box there's not much information, there's only on the back, serial number and such. There's these little tabs that we have to take out, so we can actually open up the box. So right now we're going to take out the second tab, and then this can just come out, like so. So there it is. Alright, so this is the Pro Max, it's slightly bigger than the Pro. And what do you guys get inside the box? Well, here you go. The cable, that's it. There's no more SIM cards. Actually, this little thing, if you take it out, it tells you exactly that. There's no more physical SIM cards. It's just the eSIM that's inside. If you guys had an iPhone 4 before, maybe a 15, 14, 16, they all had eSIM, but they also had the SIM card tray. Now, that's no longer the case. Now, the cable that comes with it is this one right here. So we're just gonna take this out. And here is the cable. So this is iPhone 17 Pro Max cable. And yes, it's USB-C. It's actually the exact same one that you guys get for all the other phones. So let me just zoom in so you guys can see it. There's no real Apple anything on it, Apple branding around the cable itself. But if you really zoom in, you guys can see some lettering right here. So let me just zoom in even more. And you can kind of see the letters there. So let me just focus on this one. And you can kind of see the writing there. That's it on the cable. So once again, this is the cable that comes with this phone. So we're just gonna put that on the side. And now let's just take a look at the phone itself. So again, this is the Pro Max. Slightly bigger than the Pro. I do have a Pro with me right now. So you guys can see it later on. But anyways, there's not much to show you around it. Let me just take this out for now. So you're gonna notice that there's only one port here, and that's the only one. Around it, there's no more ports. Let me just show you all the way around the phone. So this is the only port, and this port is only for one thing. Well, not just one thing, I guess, because you guys can use this to charge it up. And this port is also very important, because that's where you hook it up to your computer if you want to sync it up in any way or transfer information wired wise. Now buttons around, you're gonna see these three, and then on the other side there's only these two, which I don't really call this one button, but we can do that. On the top you're gonna see this, and then at the back it's just the lenses, nothing else. As I mentioned before, there is no more SIM card tray, so there's nothing for that. Everything's just eSIM. So if you want to transfer your phone number here, if you have a physical SIM card, you're just going to have to transfer that phone number using eSIM. So that's for the setup video. So I will have a setup video for this and a manual if you guys want to check that out. But here it is. Here's this color. Now, differences between what you guys see on screen and the real color is that this on real life I think looks way more purple than what it looks on camera. I'm not sure why the color changes so much, but this looks a little bit darker and way more purple in real life. Again, I'm not sure, maybe it's because it's so shiny that there's that color difference between what we see on camera and what the phone looks like. So that's kind of odd. Anyways, let's just turn it on so you guys can appreciate the screen. So I'm just gonna turn it on by holding on here. So that's just gonna turn it on for the very first time. We're gonna see the Apple logo there. And then later on, it's gonna be the welcome screen so we can set it up. Again, I do have a setup video for this. It's gonna be completely different than this video. This unboxing video is kind of boring at the same time because there's nothing inside the box besides that cable. And that's it. We don't get anything more with it. So right here, it's turned on. You guys can appreciate the screen. It almost goes all the way to the edge. There is this black border around it, which is great because we actually need that when we put a case on it. So very important to have that border. Other than that, there's the camera in the front. And that's it. There's nothing more to show you around this phone itself. I can tell you it's heavy. If you compare it to the iPhone 17, you can feel the weight difference big time. I wouldn't say it's twice as heavy, but it definitely does feel twice as heavy, although it's not. Other than that, it is a significantly big phone, but it's kind of nice to have big phones when you're watching movies or you're doing certain things like editing or anything fancy like that. Other than that, I do like the screen size from iPhone 17 Pro a little bit more, just because it's slightly smaller, and I don't like to have this huge thing inside my pocket. So, especially once you put a case on it, this thing is massive. So that's why I'm not a huge fan of the Pro Maxes that have come out. But I can see why people like them though. I can definitely see why. Anyways, there's not much more to show you around the phone itself. So that would be it for this video. If you guys want to check out the setup video, go ahead. It's uploaded on my channel, plus the manual, so you guys can see this thing in action. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.